for my own place. I met some people on the road, met them face to face. The first was a blue-eyed friendly girl. She looked so nice, but I couldn't release my heart for her. And she cried, yes she cried. Then I met my oldest friend. He looked quite unchanged. He asked me about my life so fast, I had no time to replay. He looked so respectable. He liked his style of life. So I closed my eyes and saw the past when we stood on the same side. So I sing this song for you and me, and the words between make these chords clear. Was I really hit rock bottom and completely lost my head? I needed some rest. I thought that the best to close all the doors, to leave like ghost. She came into my life fresh from a fairy tale, but I wasn't there, so I lost my share. Yeah. As I lay on top of the hill, counting shooting stars, there came an old man who looked at me and cried into the night. I wasted my life looking for answers, wanting means to be free. And now in the end, I realize he sad and disappeared. So I sing this song for you and me, and the words between make these chords clear. As I traveled around the world looking for my own place, I met a man towards the end who was tired and displaced. What's the reason, I ask him, you're going that far? He looked at me, then whispered to me, your own place is in your heart. So I sing this song for you and me, and the words between make these chords clear. So I sing this song for you and me, and the words between make these chords clear, make these chords clear.
Vida, viva Victoria, Cleopatra. Quanta traffico, Paolo! Ciao, ვაცა თუ ცხოვრება მთელი დაგანებია.
მაშინ თვალებში გიყოლო. მაშინ შეხედე სიკვდილის თვალებში.